In recent years, just as the market for mechanical keyboards has exploded among typists and gamers who appreciate tactile feel and premium build quality, homeowners are rediscovering efficient, mechanical, electricity-free solutions to heat distribution, like wood stove fans. These eco-friendly devices use thermoelectric power to circulate warm air throughout your home. In this guide, we evaluate models by
List number 1. Josa Wood Stove Fan Heat-Powered Fireplace Fan, Non-Electric. The Josa Heat-Powered Stove Fan is a budget-friendly yet efficient choice for anyone wanting to enhance heat distribution without using electricity. Built with durable anodized aluminum, this fan runs entirely on stove heat through a thermoelectric module that generates power as temperature rises. It features 4 wide aluminum blades, pushing hot air effectively across medium-sized rooms. Once the stove surface reaches about 140 degrees Fahrenheit, the fan automatically starts spinning, increasing circulation by up to 50% more heat efficiency compared to still air. What makes it especially appealing is its quiet operation, almost silent, with no annoying hum or vibration. The compact size makes it fit easily atop most wood or pellet stoves.
Number 2. Tomerson Wood Stove Fan Heat-Powered 8-Blade Stove Fan. The Tomerson 8-blade stove fan is a standout for its superior airflow and unique blade design. This model comes with 8 reinforced aluminum blades, doubling the circulation potential compared to most 4-blade fans. Powered by the heat from your stove, it begins spinning at around 122 degrees Fahrenheit, moving air faster and distributing heat evenly throughout your space. The built-in bimetallic safety strip protects it from overheating, bending the fan slightly away from the hot surface once temperatures exceed safe levels. The Tomerson operates with minimal noise. The improved thermoelectric motor ensures silent, maintenance-free function. With a temperature range of 122 degrees Fahrenheit to 644 degrees Fahrenheit, it performs consistently across wood, pellet, and gas stoves.
List number 3. BLFYER Wood Stove Fan Heat-Powered Dual Motor, Non-Electric. The BLFYER Dual Motor Stove Fan redefines efficiency with 2 thermoelectric motors, driving 8 blades in total for exceptional heat circulation. It starts automatically when the stove reaches 140 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring steady, even heat flow across rooms up to 500 square feet. The dual motors allow each side to push air in slightly different directions, covering more area and eliminating cold corners. The brushed aluminum body withstands temperatures up to 660 degrees Fahrenheit, guaranteeing long-term reliability. Its operation is ultra-quiet, running at less than 25 decibels, making it virtually silent. It also includes a bimetal safety strip for automatic and heat protection.
List number 4. Exmouth Wood Stove Fan, Fireplace Fan for Wood-Burning Stove. The Exmouth Wood Stove Fan combines attractive design with high performance. With 5 aluminum blades, it provides robust air movement while maintaining quiet operation below 30 decibels. It starts automatically when the stove temperature exceeds 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and the included temperature gauge helps you monitor performance and safety. The heat-resistant, anodized finish ensures it doesn't deform under extended high-temperature use. The fan's compact, lightweight build fits easily on smaller stove surfaces, making it perfect for cabins, workshops, or smaller living rooms.
List number 5. Exmouth Dual Wood Stove Fan, Silent Operation Wood Burner Fan. The Exmouth Dual Wood Stove Fan is designed for those who need powerful airflow and premium quietness. Equipped with dual 4-blade rotors, it moves heat in 2 directions, accelerating warmth circulation across large rooms. Its thermoelectric generator powers both motors from the stove's heat, requiring no batteries or electricity. The unit features high-temperature anodized aluminum, a built-in overheat safety strip, and silent operation below 25 decibels, perfect for peaceful evenings by the fire. With a temperature range of 140 degrees Fahrenheit to 660 degrees Fahrenheit, it works efficiently on most wood and pellet stoves.